What's up guys, today we'll be looking at how to make a stop motion. Maybe you watched one of my first videos on this channel named The Moment That Changed the World, which was done by using stop motion technique. Because of its simplicity, you can create stop motion for literally $0. All you're gonna need is a smartphone or a DSLR in case you have it. A tripod can be very helpful, but it's not necessary. You just need a place where you can keep your camera static without causing any movement. A lighting, I'm using two bedroom lamps as you can see, and an app or a PC program such as Adobe Premiere, where you're gonna later merge all the individual photos together into a one video. Before you start, just keep in mind that stop motion is very time demanding. For some reason I always like to put myself into hard position, so in my stop motion, The Moment That Changed the World, I was making the entire part of Lower Manhattan using cardboard. So it took me just 10 days to make buildings using cardboard with printed textures on them, and then about 2 days to shoot the stop motion. Now if film is traditionally shot at 24 frames per second, it would take around 1440 photos just to make a 1 minute long stop motion video. But a traditional animation including stop motion is created at half the frame rate. So 24 frames per second would equal 12 frames per second. Basically you get the point, be prepared to invest a lot of time into this. As an example, I'm gonna move an object here, Chevrolet Camaro, using only stop motion. So it's very simple. Just taking pictures one by one as we're moving a car for about a 1 inch each time. If you want to move an action figure such as Woody from Toy Story, basically the more parts of his body are able to move, the more realistic animation you'll get. For post-production, you can download an app called Stop Motion Studio on your smartphone, but I'll be using Adobe Premiere on my computer. It doesn't have to be Premiere at all, you can use Movie Maker, Sony Vegas, just an ordinary video editing program. So I transferred all the photos to my computer and dropped them on Premiere's timeline. You can do a lot of things in the post-production, like changing the colors, you can change the brightness, the contrast, and a bunch of other things. Now I can delete some frames here if I want to speed it up a bit, and etc. You can get creative with this as much as you want. Alright, so I guess it's time now for a final result. So that was the final result. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and have a nice day and enjoy making stop motion.